Okay, so as you can see, I'm in my car, and I want to show you something that I just found out yesterday to fix a problem that I've had for probably 6 months, and it was stupid, and I should have known, and I didn't, and there's other people that probably don't, that were having the same problem, that I can help you fix that. So in Apple CarPlay, okay, in Apple CarPlay, I want to go to Maps, okay, which I'm in. Now, if I'm in Maps, I want you to notice something. All right. In the Maps app, when you actually send directions to it, something will appear on your phone and something will appear over here. And what that is a speaker. All right. So let me get out, set a map up, and then I'll come back. Okay, so here we are. Now, I'm going to head someplace, and what it is that there it is right here. It's that speaker, okay? When I hit this, I must have done something in my car and I shut the navigation directions off. Although the map would work, I would hear nothing. And for months, I just like, what is wrong? I don't know what's happening. And finally, I was talking to a friend of mine that works at Apple, because I went and used Google Maps and I could hear the voice every time I used Apple Maps, no voice. And he said, oh yeah, just tap the screen, all right, and just take the speaker option. There's your speaker option, and turn it on. Off, nothing, or on. Now it's on. Now you can do that on your telephone, or you can do it in the car, because obviously what you see on the phone is the same thing in the car. But if you've been plagued by not hearing a voice for your CarPlay app in your vehicle, that's exactly what you have to do to fix it. Obviously, your volume needs to be somewhat up, right? And there you have it. So that's all you have to do, very, very simply. I hope this has helped somebody out there that was, quite honestly, as dumb as I was, not to be able to figure it out. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you can leave a comment telling me that this helped you fix your problem. Thank you, and have a great summer.